In this video we will demonstrate how you can use track mode with Autopilot and Plotter. In this case we are using Raymarine products, Axiom RV9 and ST2000 Autopilot. The first thing you need to do is draw the route you want to follow on the plotter's screen. Click Build Route on your screen. Then mark your route. When you are ready, click to finish route build and then follow. I am using S100 remote controller here. First, it needs to connect to the Raymarine network in order to control the autopilot. When connected, push mode button, then navigate to track mode and select it by pressing pilot button. Finally, accept new heading by pressing pilot button again. You can do the exact same thing directly from the autopilot controls. Press the -10 and +10 buttons simultaneously. To accept new heading, push them again. The black line is our heading. The blue line is our course over ground. It means the black shows compass heading and the blue one indicates boat actual course direction in Raymarine Axiom units. The actual course differs because forces such as wind and current are affecting the boat. Whenever you reach a waypoint, you are asked to accept heading to the next one. To do that, simply press the pilot button on the remote controller or the auto button from the Autopilot. Although this demonstration was done in a fairly narrow bay, it's important to keep in mind that steering isn't 100% accurate, and its precision decreases the rougher the conditions you sail in. The autopilot reacts immediately to the new course as shown here. Let's shut down the outboard motor and hoist the sails up. Works perfectly, at least in these calm conditions. Then, if needed, you can always jump into the water from a moving boat, although it may not be advisable in every situation. Or maybe you're tired and need to take a nap, though it's not always the best idea in every situation. Here we are still navigating to the route. Next I'm clicking Stop Nav button from the screen. Now we hear a beeping sound both from the remote control and the autopilot. It's because they're signaling that they've lost their course. This concludes the demonstration. Let me know if you need more information, for example regarding the installation of the instruments.